Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. There's a phase of every crypto cycle that almost nobody warns you about. It's not the hype, it's not the blow off top. It's the part where confidence fades, excitement disappears, and everything just feels heavy. That's where we are right now. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so this is the phase where prices don't reward patience, news doesn't move the market, and conviction starts to weaken. Bitcoin moves up, then gives it back. Altcoins slowly trend lower, liquidity dries up, and people quietly start questioning whether staying involved is even worth it. Psychologically, this is the hardest part of the cycle. We've seen it clearly recently. Bitcoin pushed higher, failed to hold, then slid back down. Gold and silver sold off. Risk assets across the board look unstable, nothing feels anchored, and that uncertainty shows up as constant chop on the charts. That kind of price action isn't random, it's what hesitation looks like. In the short term, we need to be realistic. This environment can continue. As we move through the early part of the year, a slow grind lower or sideways wouldn't be surprising at all. Bitcoin still needs to prove whether it can reclaim higher levels and hold them, or whether it needs more time building a base. That doesn't mean collapse, it means digestion. We're not looking at a return to extreme lows from years ago, but we are looking at a market that's uncomfortable enough to test confidence, and that's intentional. Right now, apathy is spreading. People are tuning out, social feeds are filled with negativity. Friends and family question why crypto even matters anymore. Content shifts from opportunity to constant doubt. This happens every cycle. When markets stop rewarding optimism, sentiment turns cautious. When prices stop trending, attention fades. That's how cycles reset, not through panic, but through boredom and disbelief. One of the biggest misconceptions right now is that this is the first time altcoins have struggled to perform. It's not. We've seen periods before where Bitcoin dominated, altcoins lagged badly, and confidence in them disappeared. What followed those periods wasn't immediate relief, it was patience, then rotation, then explosive returns. Here's the truth most people miss. The money is not made when things feel good, the money is made when things feel uncomfortable. Buying strength feels safe, but it's usually too late. Buying during uncertainty feels difficult, but that's where asymmetric opportunity comes from. That doesn't mean blindly buying everything, it means staying prepared, keeping capital available, staying disciplined, understanding that this phase exists to test conviction. This is where sacrifice matters, not hype, not leverage, not chasing whatever just pumped, saving capital, reducing distractions, staying mentally sharp, letting time work instead of forcing trades, because when markets finally turn, and they always do, they move faster than people expect. By the time confidence returns, prices have already moved. Most people wait for confirmation, and by the time confirmation exists, opportunity is gone. We can't play that game. If we want different outcomes, we have to be willing to act differently, calmly, patiently, and before the crowd returns, Bitcoin will eventually show its hand. Whether that's another shakeout or a renewed push higher, the signal will come. Until then, this phase is about positioning, not performance. And yes, sentiment may get worse before it gets better. That's not a bad thing. That's how opportunity forms. When everyone loses interest, when altcoins are written off emotionally, when attention disappears, that's when cycles quietly reset. This phase is uncomfortable by design, but it's necessary to handle it correctly, and it can set up the most important opportunities of the entire cycle. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay ready. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.